Introducing the new Chase and Back Tools PNP-100 Plumbing Pipe and Thread Repair Kit. Chase and Back Tools PNP-100 is designed to clean, restore, and repair damaged NPT threads on pipes ranging from sizes 1/2 to 3/4 or 1 inch in diameter. The PNP-100 includes a special socket and patented die, and together with your 1/2 inch socket wrench and your penetrating oil, you can repair most threads quickly and easily. Using the PNP-100 to repair damaged pipe threads is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Liberally apply common household penetrating oil to the damaged threads as well as the tool. Step 2. Install socket adapter over die. Hand tighten screw to hold firmly into thread groove. Step 3. Place special Chase and Back socket over the patented die. Hand adjust screw to hold firmly into thread groove. Use ratchet to turn Chase and Back tool back and forth, cleaning and restoring damaged threads by cold rolling the metal back to its original shape. Occasionally adjust tension on thumb screw as you work. Congratulations! You have just saved yourself a lot of time, and we all know that time is money. Thank you very much for watching this presentation, and enjoy your new Chase and Back tool.